What up, guys? This is your boy Degen and welcome to this special video in which we're going to be awakening the soul, unleashing the Web3 magic within the forest. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back, guys. This is your boy Degen, and as you come in, please make sure that you hit and smash that like button, the bell button, the subscribe button, and all the buttons, because you know that we bring the content that aims to inspire you and to keep you motivated as we go through this 2023 bear market. And now remember that we got our Degen wallet ready for all of you guys to take it out for a spin. But I don't want to move forward without also reminding you that we are doing giveaways now on the comments section. So look at this beautiful silver coin that just arrived in the mail. So we're going to be giving this beautiful coin to somebody in the comment section. So after you hit the like, after you have subscribed, make sure you leave us a comment below, because one of you may be a lucky winner of this beautiful silver coin. And now, before I move forward, I just have one simple question for everybody today.
Can I be your friend?
In the heart of a majestic forest, where sunlight dances through the towering trees, an ape finds itself at the crossroads of destiny. Watch as it navigates the vibrant wilderness, each step taken with purpose and determination. The forest is a metaphor, my friends, for the Web3 ecosystem that surround us. In this digital jungle, opportunities are woven like vines, reaching out to those who dare to seize them. Together, we can swing through the canopy of possibilities, embracing the magic that lies within. The true power of Web3 is not in the individual, but in the strength we find when we share these opportunities with others. Imagine, if you will, a world where collaboration is the key that unlocks the doors to success. Each seed an idea, nurtured by the collective ingenuity of a thriving community. Like a symphony of minds, crafting a melody that resonates across the blockchain. It is here, within the heart of the Degen Forest community, that we find a heaven for those new to this wondrous journey. Within these virtual trees, you'll find wisdom and support as you navigate the vast realm of Web3 technologies. Connect with fellow adventurers who will guide you through the treacherous currents of decentralization. Discover the secrets of NFTs, the beauty of blockchain, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. So, my friends, if you yearn for a place to belong amidst this digital revolution, let me extend an invitation to you. Join our Web3 community, the Degen Forest. Here you will find a sanctuary amidst the chaos, a place where you can breathe, learn, and create. Unleash the magic within, and together we shall traverse these uncharted paths. Remember, in the depths of the Degen Forest lies the awakening of your soul. It is in the sharing of opportunities, in the collective embrace of Web3, that we find our truest selves. So embrace this digital realm, my friends, and let the world witness the masterpiece you create. Thank you for walking with me on this journey, my fellow adventurers. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspirations, insights, and the magic of Web3. Until we'll meet again, may the forest of possibilities guide your steps.